this is Arpita Vise. I am working as an associate data engineer at AdGear Solutions Pune. I have completed my basic engineering from IT from St. Vincent Quality College of Engineering, Nagpur, and after that I went for pursuing MTech from YCC. After pursuing MTech, I have worked as an assistant professor in Priyadarshini College of Engineering, Nagpur. But over there, I was not much happy with the professorship. So I wanted to move on to the data analytics field, which is in boom at that time also and this time also. While being in MTech, I was more attracted towards AI and ML, and so I wanted to explore more options to get the certification in data analytics. So I wanted to go further for the data analytics certification courses. I tried out on I found out on many websites the online opportunities, but I was not never happy with those. I wanted a one institute which can give me a thorough knowledge of the topic and along with the certification and internship. So I landed over here in Python Academy. I attended their free sessions, the 3 sessions they provide earlier, and then I was confirmed that this is the institute, this is the course which I want, and so I registered over here, and I begin the classes over here. As I was more attracted towards AI and ML, I started reading the research papers over some topics of AI and ML, and I was more keen towards the topics. So I wanted to study AI and ML in depth, and I also was attracted towards the data science opportunities and the career option. So I searched more on the topic, that is data science, and what the prerequisites for the data scientist. So I started doing some research online, and after that I landed up in some 2 to 3 options, but Python Academy was the foremost option which I wanted to enroll in, where I attended the 3 previous sessions by Anup sir, and where he cleared all my doubts about the data scientist position, and then I went for this classes. I have many options online to study the data scientist course, but I was never happy with that courses, because they were not providing me the details of the course. So this was the time when I started looking for more opportunities or the more classes, and also I wanted a class which is offline and which can give me more hands-on on the topics. Also I wanted to have a good doubt solving sessions. So that's why I make my option as Python Academy as my option, which gave me further more knowledge in this topic, and also gave me internship along with this. As told by Anup sir, they were providing me the doubt solving sessions also, and they were providing the assignments on the given topics, and they were providing me the internship. So I was happy with the institute, and I finalized that I will be getting done my course over here only. The course started with the basic concepts of the Python. After that we went for the SQL, where we get all the SQL knowledge which is required for data analytics, and after that we learned machine learning algorithms along with some AI concepts and a bit of R language, which was really in demand today. And then after getting the knowledge of this, we completed one project, and in that project we really got to know how to apply these concepts in real projects. Study material provided by the Python Academy was very good. It is very easy to understand, easy to learn also, and after that we got some assignments from the Python Academy, and which really helped me in getting much knowledge in the field of Python. And after that during internship we were able to do some 2 to 3 projects, and in that project I did which the data was collected from Kaggle, and on that data we applied all these concepts and we reach up to the final insights of that project. So this was overall a good experience. Anup Kelkar's Python Academy also gave me many job assistance, and through that job assistance I applied for 2-3 jobs and given an interview, and so finally I landed over in this company, that is Atia Solutions, as an data engineer. They also helped me in building the resumes, which made me make the good resume of mine, and which stands out in the company. After that they also provided me an assistantship with how to build a profile on LinkedIn. So I also built my profile on LinkedIn and Naukri, and also applied through those platforms. As I applied for this company, after 2 to 3 days, I got a call from HR. She took my interview. That was the first interview. That was the first level of interview, where she checked my communication skills and my knowledge. After that, the second round was of technical, which this technical round was taken by a technical person, that is a team lead, and he asked me many questions about Python, the basic SQL, and some AI concepts. And after clearing this round, I faced third round, which was taken by a manager of a company, where he checked me. He checked the thorough knowledge of technical, and also he checked me my some presentation skills and my communication skills. So after getting done all these 3 rounds of interview, I was selected as a data engineer. Well, I think this process is very rigorous process, and you need to be very patient throughout the process. The advice I would like to give for the aspirant data scientist is that just go through all the study material which Python Academy has provided. After that, try to solve maximum questions from the assignments also, and from the other websites also, and also try to grab some data from Kaggle, and try to implement all those concepts which are taught in the classes, and try to implement all those projects, and get well versed with the concepts. Also try to build your profile good on LinkedIn, which is always checked by a recruiter, and also be very patient throughout the process. And I finally want to say all the best for your future endeavors. Thank you.